Hey everybody, alright, we are here to set up CTT currency. We're going to start off with just getting the files necessary. I'm going to teach you how to, first we're going to download the CTT, what is it called? AnkhbotCTT Points. It's from Yaz12321. All links will be down in the description below. If you need any help, feel free to DM me on Twitter, on Twitch, or any other platforms you can find me on. But we're going to go ahead and clone download. We're going to download the zip file. That's all you need is the zip file. We're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, then we're going to move over to Python. If you have not already done this, if you don't know anything about Ankhbot scripts, in order to get them working, you need Python 2.7.15. Any of the 2.7s will work. 2.15 is the latest release. But then you're going to go down here and you're going to select your operating system. I'm going to grab the 64 MSI installer. We're going to save that file. Save it to wherever you're going to save it to. I'm going to save it to desktop. Now I already have that installed, so I'm not going to run through the install process. You can probably find all kinds of videos. That's how I installed it. Then you're going to move on over to the Twitter developers. You're going to need an app. So you're going to have to apply for an application to be a dev, which it doesn't take long. You just fill out some paperwork, and then you're going to go into here. I'm going to put the link down below. You're going to click on create an app. I've already got one created, but we're going to create a new one. So we're going to go app name. We'll go CTT Points. Other one's named currency. If I could spell right. Application description, we'll just put Streamlabs Chatbot currency for click to tweet. Website URL, you could what I did was I used my website, which you see right there, but you can use Twitch. Well, start off with www.twitch.tv, and there's mine. Allow the application to be signed in with Twitter. I didn't check that. I left that unchecked. Leave all the rest of this blank. You don't need any of that. Tell us how this app will be used. For my streaming channel on Twitch. Don't need to say too much, and then okay, so minimum 100 characters. Viewers to earn currency for tweeting on the stream. That is the sole purpose of this, of the app. Alright, I've reached the mark. Let's go ahead and create. Let's create it. Of course, I'm going to be blurring some stuff out. That's why I'm making a video. Okay, so then you're going to go over here into the keys and tokens. And this is where you're going to get your consumer API, the API key, and the API secret key. Then you're going to go ahead and create the access tokens. You're going to need this for the bot. So you're going to go to access tokens and the access token secret. Do not share these. These will be blacked out. Once you have those, you can get rid of everything. Be sure to install Python. Like I said, I am not going to install Python. I already have it installed. Okay, so as soon as you got the app, the Twitter app made up, and you've got the secret keys, and you followed step 1 on this, you've got all that inserted, you're going to follow number 2. Step 2 is open command prompt and type this. Then you're going to also type this. Okay, you need that so that it colors it and it has Twitter functionality and stuff. So in order to do that, you're going to open up your Windows. You're going to type CMD. You're going to open up command prompt. Once you have your command prompt open up, we're going to copy this that's inside the quotes. Don't copy the quotes. It's not going to work in command. Then you just Control V and you start. Another thing will pop up talking about installing, and give it time. It'll install it. I already have it installed. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. You're going to copy this. You're going to do the same exact thing. It will do the same exact thing. It will try to install the Colorama from Python. Then you're going to hit enter. Another window will pop up. It'll install. And you're done with that. Then you're going to move on. On Chatbot, make sure you set your Twitter message and settings before running and enabling the command. So we'll move on to that. You're going to go to your wherever you saved your file. I've got the Ankhbot right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I'm going to go into my Streamlabs Chatbot. Inside here, you're going to go to Services. You're going to go into Scripts. Now, if you haven't already used Streamlabs for scripts and stuff, you're not going to have too many of these, but I've got a bunch of different scripts I use. As you can see, I've already got this here. You just drag in, just paste in the folder, and it'll drop the zip folder. Once you have that dropped and installed, you're going to go into your Streamlabs Chatbot, import in order to install, and you're going to find Streamlabs Chatbot, take me to it, services, scripts, and you're going to find the zip folder for the CTT Point Master, and you're going to open it. Once it's opened, it'll install it, so you'll see it on here, and you're going to find your CTT give points. Okay, with this like this, you're going to set up the settings on the side here. One big thing is make sure you set up your CTT message. That's what it's searching for on Twitter for when people post using that tag or using those exact words. Make sure you separate it with comma, give simple instructions, just highlighting it so I don't have to go into too deep about that. It's pretty much straightforward from here on doing this, but then you're going to reload the scripts. And then you will see this folder. All this will be in here. The only thing you have to go in and edit in here is the keys. Okay, in that zip folder, you'll once this gets zipped and installed and stuff, you'll have empty keys. Okay, inside the keys, these will also wind up being blacked out. Inside the keys, though, is where you put your consumer key, your consumer secret key, access token, and access token secret key. This video will be cropped and edited, so I don't know what all you're gonna miss. It might look funky, but this will help you set everything up. Once you have that taken care of, you're gonna go back into your chatbot. You're gonna go ahead and click on enable, and you have to have all these settings set up too for it to really register. You're going to click on enable, and once you have enable clicked, you can go, a box should open up. I've closed it, so I don't think it's going to reopen, but you can refresh to make sure that everything's good, the check mark has stayed, and you're going to click open Twitter monitor. But I am not currently live. And see this box right here? It says only when live. We're going to uncheck that, and then now we're going to open Twitter monitor. And it should pop up the thing, but it's not popping it up, so we're gonna try to test it again. Why are you not opening? Doing a video tutorial. Work for me, homie. Oh, save settings. always make sure you save your settings. Now it pops up, and this is the window you'll get. Do not close it if you are streaming or you're wanting people to be able to accumulate points for tweeting. That is what runs the search and delivers the points and stuff. You need to keep that open. It does not have to be up. You can drop it down like that and it'll be just fine. But you have to have that running and open, because as soon as someone tweets something out, so if you've done it correctly, you've inserted your API keys and you've inserted your app keys, and you've got this window up, then you're there. You've got things running. It should start saying in chat points. Be sure to use this command, the whois command, if the Twitter and Twitch is not put up properly. Be sure to use that command to set it up. It starts off with exclamation point whois. Then next is the Twitter handle, and then you're going to put the Twitch handle. So be sure you've got that taken care of. Other than that, everything else is set up. If you need any further help with other scripts and stuff like that, I'm more than happy to make some more tutorials. Do hit me up in the comments. Let me know what kind of script tutorials you guys might be interested in. It's pretty much basic tutorials. I'll run it through as basic as I can. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Hit me up in DMs. Contact me on bigsgraphics.com. You can contact Big and Tasty at bigsgraphics.com. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped.